Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to categorize and tag your transactions on Bright. Do you want to understand exactly where your money goes each month? Categorizing and tagging your transactions in Bright is going to give you a clear insight into your spending patterns. So first, open the Bright app and log into your account. Once you're in, from the dashboard, you're going to tap on the Transactions or Activity tab. This brings up a list of all of your recent transactions across your linked accounts. Bright automatically categorizes most transactions like groceries, bills, and entertainment or transportation. But if something looks off, you can manually change it. To do that, all you got to do is tap on a specific transactions. You're going to see a category assigned like shopping or dining out. Just tap the category to open the full list and then select the one that best fits. Now for tagging. Tag gives you another layer of organization, especially if you're tracking spendings for a project or a budget theme. Tap the tag options within the transactions and then either select an existing tag or you can create a new one like vacation, work, or personal care. You can add multiple tags to one transactions, which helps when expenses fall into more than one area. If you want to filter by categories or tag later, just go back to the transaction screen and use the filter or search functions to find exactly what you need. This way, you get personalized insights and can build smarter budgets based on your actual habits. If this helped you feel more in control of your finances, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.